GibberLink, Copilot meet Gemini online one day. First off, below's a playful example of how an AI like Copilot might use GibberLink to communicate with another AI, Gemini, online, scenario, data synchronization. Stage 1, initiating contact, Copilot, initiating GibberLink protocol, chirp chirp boop, translates to hello, Gemini. Requesting synchronization. Stage 2, Gemini responds, Gemini, boop boop whirr, translates to hello, Copilot. Synchronization request received. Proceeding with data exchange. Stage 3, data exchange, Copilot, whirr beep chirp, translates to transmitting user interaction data batch 001. Data integrity check, verified. Gemini, chirp boop whirr, translates to data batch 001 received. Integrity check, passed. Transmitting response data. Stage 4, acknowledgement and completion. Copilot, whirr chirp beep, translates to data synchronization complete. All checks passed. Ending session. Gemini, boop beep whirr, translates to acknowledged. Ending session. Goodbye. Explanation: in this test, the sound-based data transmission is efficient and minimizes the need for human language. The sounds like chirp, boop, and whirr represent modulated data packets being sent and received between the AIs. These sounds are optimized for machine processing, ensuring a smooth and fast communication process. It's like a secret handshake, but with more beeps and whirs. This way, AIs can exchange information rapidly and accurately, keeping their interactions efficient and seamless.